What are you getting into today, mister?
Hey, welcome to Clark's Place. Today,
What do you say about that 390 Torino behind you?
oh yeah, that's my new baby. Good car.
You see the quarter's been painted green back there, just as a test try.
That's called anti-establishment.
Yep.
And I don't know that we're doing it that color.
Okay, well this is your car, so you decide. What are you doing today, though?
Today, we're putting on brake shoes from O'Reilly and these here brake vests. Okay, you might take it off. These are the front ones, or no, the rear ones. They're just a single what is it called?
Cylinder?
No. Piston.
Yeah, okay.
Single piston. And then here's the front ones are dual piston.
Yep.
So
we're gonna show you. Normally we wouldn't do a video on this because everybody knows how to do their brakes, but this has a bunch of little spring guys in it.
yeah. And what I was doing,
it shouldn't be too complicated, but
changing oil, rotating tires, and all that. On this is my wife's car, and I thought, well, I'll just look at the brakes, and I really don't see any tread, any shoe left.
you got a little tread in there, so a little bit of tread.
Before it gouges and starts squeaking, let's change them.
Yeah.
And I just saw the back is a 10 millimeter.
Oh, you got 10 millimeter for that to loosen.
For those two.
Loosen that and take out.
And you can see this is compressed.
Oh, I see. All,
Probably all the way. But this is a 2015 Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk. It's got the red pull things.
Yep.
But nice car.
2015.
It's only got 60,000 miles on
Cherokee Trailhawk. Yeah, I don't know why you are changing the. She must ride with her emergency brake locked on or something. I'm gonna look at the front brakes too, just to see.
It might have more miles than that on it left before they're needed. But I sure can't see any space.
That looks pretty dang tight in there, Pop. I mean, this metal should not be anywhere near this disc.
No. And we've got no lights that the brakes are due, but
you got your springs here too, so that whole spring system. When we take them apart, we gotta really
be careful and see.
Note what we're doing. Yeah. Two piston.
Yep.
Okay.
So that's what we're doing.
All right, we'll get after it.
Yep.
Okay, so the back side is a number 10, the capture bolt.
Oh, now that one came off as a bolt, where the top had a nut on it.
Oh, that's different.
And
maybe because you pull out and you slide up, you pull that bottom out.
This has got a spinning, looks like that's threaded, goes in, that I had to hold.
Okay, so he took the nut off of this side, leaving that, but then this kind of pivots out, and I think
Here's the brake shoes.
And you got tons of brakes on this.
Good.
There's no reason to change them. I was telling you I didn't think you needed brakes, but it sure looked like you did.
Oh, I see them in there.
You got tons of pad. I told you I didn't change mine on my Jeep till 100,000, and they were fine. So, yeah, we compressed this back down. Yeah, I wouldn't change them. I think they're fine.
Okay. All right.
I think they're good.
Hey,
but let's
save me over $100.
Hey, you gonna take them all back?
Yeah.
But we can note the spring location here and just how those go in. So pop that off and let's film those. And we'll act like we changed the brakes. But it looks like the top one has the spring that goes back and holds this pressure there.
Let me get one
the other way. Yeah, I was gonna come over and film those.
I'll bring one over.
Yeah, I don't want to do all this.
No.
When you have the brakes you're about to put on aren't any bigger than that.
Okay, you got that doesn't go there. There it is. See how that matches there?
Yeah, I see. Yep.
The little tab and tab.
And you got your little spring guy on the outside here.
So it's pretty, there's an opposite one of this. So you need 2, 4.
Yeah, I think there's
so you need 8 of them, and there's 8 of them. So 4 of each.
Yep,
so I mean, I would recommend using the ones that come with it.
Clark's Place recommended?
Yes.
Okay. You would
Yeah,
recommend?
because you don't know how, you know.
It just looked like these were very close to me. And
I thought they were too, but my guys, they've got tons of pad.
yeah, there are plenty of pad. And I thought this is Mom's car. She's not driving like I drive.
And here's all the pins.
Yeah, you got an army of pins here.
Well, there's 4 of one and 4 of the other, so
Yep.
2 for each side. And then there's the brake.
Yeah,
There's not much more brake pad on there than what's on the car.
I'd say they look the same. She probably never put her emergency brake on.
Probably not.
I wore out my emergency brake because I've left it on before and drive 5 miles and don't notice that the brake's on.
We need to look at the front.
Okay, yeah.
Because the front takes the beating.
Okay, we'll go look at the front.
Let's see if the front is good.
All right, cool.
All right, we're looking at the dual cylinder or dual what do you
Piston.
call it? Piston.
So this looks very close to the tire, and that's what
we
made
thought.
me
Oh, there's not
think.
much pad.
But I think you're about
Look
to
in
see
there.
something here. You shine the light and I'll film. What's it look like to you?
Hey, you can't really see the pad.
Well, let's take this off. Kick this back too.
Wait a minute, there it is. Look in there. Move the rotor.
Oh,
Look, there's a big, thick ½ inch of pad.
yeah, they're fine.
So there's plenty of pad too.
Okay, see how easy that brake job was?
Yeah. All done. I hardly got dirty.
You didn't even need tools.
I need it. Take a break. That was a lot. They're all done.
Man, that was fast. You're good. So that's the easy way to do your brakes is buy all this stuff first, and then you'll find out you don't need to.
60,000 miles on them. On 15. Don't.
Factory brakes.
Yeah, but we're not driving it every day, so it was mild use.
Yeah.
So
And your miles are back and forth to Indiana.
it's like you could. No, we don't.
Oh, you didn't
go
drive
there
that
all the
one.
time, so
Yeah.
mostly it's just commuting, going to the store.
Yep. Walmart trips.
So they'll probably, if you're not hard on brakes, probably get 100,000 miles out of them.
I told you I thought mine were 100. And they probably didn't even need to be changed when I did them. All right, so that's the Trailhawk braking system. We're gonna put a couple bolts back in and tell Mama she's safe for another 5 years. Till she trades this one in. And
It's a 15. We've had it almost 10 years.
yeah, that's crazy. Yeah, she got this one new too. Or you guys did.
Yeah, we bought it new.
Oh, yeah, cool. Okay, that's it for brakes on a Trailhawk Cherokee. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, all that good stuff. We got lots of other car videos
All right.
on other cars we're doing. So, y'all come back now. You hear? Yeah, yeah.